Malibu, California is a premier coastal community with a lifestyle only the few will ever experience. Situated between famous beaches and the Santa Monica Mountains, Malibu offers stunning natural beauty. Yet it is only a short distance to downtown Los Angeles, Beverly Hills, Burbank, and Santa Barbara. Located on Point Dume, gated with a high-end security system, this exclusive Malibu Auto Museum ranks among the best designed in the world. The 500-plus foot circular driveway allows full-size semi-trucks easy access, as well as abundant parking for large events. The Malibu Auto Museum offers 7,000 square feet on a private 1-acre lot. The Malibu Auto Museum comfortably houses 25 cars, computer-controlled air filtration system, air quality exceeds hospital standards for temperature, humidity, dust, and bacterial control to preserve cars, museum-quality fine artworks, and other collectibles. The entire space is acoustically engineered, offering the potential for a recording studio. Architectural lighting design is featured throughout the space. This one-of-a-kind property cannot be duplicated in the city of Malibu. The second floor offers 800 square feet of never-used living space, built with high-end materials. This is the exceptional lifestyle only a few will ever fully experience.